Save this video if you're looking for an Instagrammable and trending tourist attraction here in Singapore. Hi kay gala! Another day, another gala na naman tayo at dito mismo sa Singapore. Kaya dapat isama mo ito sa bucket list mo. May na-discover ako dito sa Singapore and this is really one of the best spot to get a nice shots, and it's the gateway to the Gardens by the Bay, the Shops Mall, and Marina Bay Sands. Ang Helix Bridge, talaga namang Instagrammable worthy kahit during day and night time, and you can take beautiful shots here to Marina Bay Sands. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Kaya wag ka nang magpahuli pag nandito ka sa Singapore at umaura dito sa trending na Helix Bridge. Don't worry, kahigala, wala ditong bayad ha. Kaya gawin mo na ang pangmalakasang aura. If you're a solo traveler like me, bestie mo talaga ang iyong tripod, o pwede ka naman makisuyo dahil marami naman dito turista sa Singapore. Uy, may tip ka na naman nakuha sa akin kahigala. Sana nagustuhan mo ang video na ito. Kaya click thumbs up and follow for more. Ingats and God bless! The beautiful Marina Bay at night.